we will have a quick 10-15 minute Q&A for the benefit of all our friends from the media. And then we'll have a protocol for everybody. And to my guests, the press, please see me later because we'll give your tokens. Okay. Who wants to take the first question? Von? Okay. Von is for Philippines Graphic.
Hello, I am Von from Philippines Graphic Magazine. So I just wanted to ask the director, why go for musical when tackling Romeo and Juliet? Is there a particular reason why a musical?
Oh, well, to make it more like palatable to the kids, because the straight play, it's more of solo. The parenthetical words of Romeo, we edited it out, and pinalitan namin ng aria. The aria is also written in iambic form. The three arias of Rosaline, Lady Capulet, and Lady Montague. So those are the emotions na gusto namin iparating doon sa mga students.